Morning everyone, thought I'd give you a quick update of where we are on site. Just having the gas done. They've just finished it today. Just waiting for the guys to come back and backfill. All done?
That's all finished, mate, yeah.
Oh mate, lovely.
Fill it in tomorrow.
Okay, cheers. I'll just show you around the house quick. It's a bit bright in here now, so the sprayer came in here yesterday and sprayed the whole house out in a day. Pretty good. Masked everywhere up. So this is just basically a first coat. We like everything to have a one coat of paint before we put like kitchens and bathrooms in. It just makes it easier for cutting in once all your shower trays and vanity units are in, etc. So pretty good. So all the ceilings are finished. He's put 3 coats on them. And he's just put a good base coat on the wall. So the walls will still need rollering. But the whole house, so this is 160 square metres in total, around about 140 square metres for the actual house. To spray all this, we supplied the paint, 240 quid. So bargain, real good value. And I mean it is, you obviously can't see this from the camera, but this is like super smooth, no marks in it whatsoever. The only downside is you can't touch it up. If someone damages the ceiling, like catches it, you've got to roll the ceiling and do it all again because you can't brush marks on the spray paint. But that's not a problem. I mean, you know, for us the ceilings are done. I'll make sure the chip is. Watch out. You can see how the Velux window is right at the top of the stairs, so that's pretty good. Lets a lot of light in. So the agent's just put the board up this morning. It's my son just bringing in just putting in an electric garage door that we're about to fit. We've just got a little bit of fencing to do. The good thing about when you build a house with a garage is you have a little bit for storage. Because, as you can see, we've got nothing out on site now, only a toilet, and then just the hole left by the gas guys. This is the fence that my son did the other day. So he boarded all of this. I'll take you down, I'll show you actually. He did a good job. So it starts there and it comes all the way down here. Quite a long fence. Comes all the way around into the back garden, around the back. And all the way down the front. See, he did all that in one day. In fact, he did it all in 3/4 of a day because we didn't start until after some breakfast. He did it all on his own, so pretty good. This is quite a nice back garden actually. If you can see, look, complete privacy, no one overlooking, gets the sun all day, and we've just got the slabs coming for here on Tuesday. And this is just going to be really nice. People, you know, got the double doors. And this is going to be quite rare to be able to buy a brand new house. Complete privacy, south-facing garden, really nice patio area. This lot will be laid to lawn, which will get done soon. And people just be able to move straight in. So it'll be quite nice. And we've just finished off fitting the gas. You see our plumber's already got the gas pipe in ready, so that's just got to be connected up. Just got to get a meter fitted, because you have to go to a separate supplier. And they was a bit worried actually because they found this electrical cable, but that was when we had a temporary supply put on. And then what they did is they dug a small hole there, and then mould underneath went onto the other side of the road into the footpath. So our electric connection's just here in this what's called a service strip. You see where the grass runs there? That's like a service strip, so our water's down there and our electric, but the gas is on the other side of the road. So we have to have the road closures and get a permit for that. But gas was about 850 quid, it's not too bad. Electric's about 850, and then we've already got water on site anyway. Because we demolished a bungalow, we've already got the existing water meter in, which is just down there, which we've rigged up a temporary supply, and then all we've got to do is dig down and connect those 2 pipes up, and then we've got water back into the property. But all the driveways all stoned up now. We've only got about 3 weeks left just to finish this house. and then we're on to the next one. And like I said, it's just going on the market today, this afternoon. So hopefully next 2 or 3 weeks this will be finished, sold, and well into conveyancing as we push forward to getting on with our other sites. If you've got any questions about this site, let us know. This was a prime example of where people are struggling to find sites. This one was just a bungalow for sale. It came to us before it went to auction, and we bought it, demolished it, put planning in. It's pretty amazing to think that we went from an 80 square metre bungalow to a 160 square metre house, full planning, first time, no objections whatsoever. So we've literally doubled the size of the house. And this is one way of finding great plots that nobody else is looking for and building some great homes. So this one's going to make us a good 6-figure profit. It's took us about 16 weeks by the time we're finished. The money we've put into this one is about 45 grand, so not too much, but we'll obviously get all of our money back out, plus our profit, plus we've been able to pay ourselves a couple of grand a month to manage the project as well. Once you get 3 or 4 of these projects on the go, you can obviously cash flow yourself quite well. Plus we get the surplus money from our development funding. So we haven't touched any development funding on this one. So we can draw down the whole lot in one go and go and buy another plot with that money straight away. But if you've got any questions, let us know, and we'll give you an update as we start to get the kitchen and everything going in next week with the other guys on site.